My name's Thomas Crowell. I'm the maintenance supervisor at Amalgamated Dairies Limited. It's a cheese production facility. So we do butter, milk, canned condensed milk. I've been there for 7 years. It's cooperative, owned by 180 different farmers, milk producers. eMaint on a daily basis is kind of the lifeblood of what happens at the dairy. Like, it manages all the preventative maintenance, it manages our inventory, purchase orders, all that stuff. So without it, it would be pretty hard to track all that stuff in one bucket there. Before we brought in eMaint, which was about 7 years ago, we used a different CMMS system, not nearly as robust as eMaint. In eMaint, we have the amount of assets, top of my head, I'm gonna say 300 or 400 maybe, because we manage 6 different facilities. Our PM process is managed by myself and the quality control team. So they have kind of their own section that the employees do. I look after the maintenance ones. With teamwork, we kind of work together and build them out and then assign them to wherever they need to be. I would say quite a bit of cost savings, just by the way you track certain things and the way you're able to allocate different costs to assets. Our maintenance department is we're almost like a contractor for the company, the way we bill out individuals' labor. So it tracks and able to save some money there. It's having the different suppliers in the inventory side gives you a way to kind of track the costs of your purchases. And then you have, this company can get it to you faster, but it's more expensive, or this company you might have to wait a little longer, but you're gonna save some money. Favorite thing in eMaint probably be how customizable it is. Just being able to edit forms and change things around, change the look. I like that probably the most. When we first started with eMaint, I worked with the support team to customize the way we bill assets. We can do direct labor charge to assets, and it saves a pile of time just to be able to do that, and you still get the same tracking with it, but you don't have to worry about work orders not getting closed or being left open. eMaint, between all our sites, tracks everything's standardized, I guess, the way that we do it, all your tasks and everything, so I guess it simplifies everything that way. Our inventory system is all based out of one location, and same as our maintenance team, and then we just dispatch what we need to do. For reporting and dashboards, we do have one dashboard that we have set up in the maintenance department. It's an open request board. So as they come in, I have all the maintenance team as part of the requester notification group. So the email will come in, but the TV shows them the picture, they can dive into it a little deeper, right? So that's our main dashboard. We don't track too many KPIs as of right now, but that's something we're gonna look to do in the future. For KPI tracking, you'd be your work order completion rate, I suppose, and tracking the labor allotment for certain work orders. We want to start giving an estimated completion time to kind of have an idea of maybe we're understaffed, overstaffed, or need more time. My proudest accomplishment in eMaint is teaching the old dogs new tricks. A few of the older technicians that were pretty hesitant to get on board with this. It's fairly easy to use once you're taught, so I got all but one of them into it.